You think you know loud animals? Think again. Deep in New Zealand's forests lives a parrot that makes sounds so powerful they travel 3 miles through thick trees. And here's the kicker, this bird can't even fly. Meet the kakapo, the world's heaviest parrot at 9 pounds. These gentle giants climb trees like furry green monkeys instead of soaring through the sky. But when mating season hits every few years, the males turn into living foghorns. Picture this. A male kakapo spends months digging perfect bowl-shaped stages in the forest floor. Then, all night long, he sits in his arena making booming calls that shake the ground. It's like nature's own rock concert, except the audience might be miles away. Here's what makes this even more incredible. Each male can live over 90 years, meaning some birds alive today started their booming concerts before your grandparents were born. But with only 250 left in the wild, scientists now track every single bird with tiny radio transmitters. These ancient boom makers are fighting extinction one thunderous love song at a time.